Okay, friends, welcome back. My followers, my subscribers, thank you for following me. Thank you for liking our video. Thank you for sharing. Guys, please, I want to beg you with God. If you're watching this video, please watch the full video. Today, I will show you how you can claim your tokens on docs. Just like the way I've been bringing update on my Facebook page at JT Tech. Guys, as you can see, we have already passed the time that we are supposed to claim these coins. We are supposed to claim it at 7 o'clock. So you have all the time to claim your coins. So today I will show you how you can claim your coins without a gas fee. Now we have received some comments on my Facebook page on people have been asking me how much they can claim their gas fee or how much they can pay for their gas fee. I just decided not to reply them because I have another way they can claim their gas fee they can claim their tokens without a gas fee. So you all know that in my page I don't show anything that will lead you to fall or to fail or that will make you to lose your coins or any other thing. So guys, here in this update today, I will show you how you can claim your dogs coins. Please watch the full video step by step as I will be showing you how you can be able to claim your coins. So guys, sharing this video with others. In fact, if you have never shared any of my content, please share this video. If you have never shared any of my content, then this video is worth sharing, because I will be showing you step by step on how you can claim your dog coins to your exchanger. So there are many people that don't know how to do this. So if you share to your friends on Facebook Messenger, your timeline, they'll be able to know. Just like the way you have the opportunity to see how you can claim your coins now. So I don't want to waste much time. I don't want this video to be long. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing here, we have to click on deposit to exchange. Deposit to exchange. Now we have the exchanges and we have the wallet Telegram. We have the non-custodial wallet. Now I will be explaining step by step. Now for this one, don't forget I said I will explain step by step and all the settings required. Now for these exchanges, you don't need a gas fee. That was why I didn't reply those comments. If you want me to show you the comment, I can show you the comment that I didn't reply. People, some of my followers will be asking me how much is the gas fee. So if you are using an exchanges, you don't need a gas fee. Now we have a wallet in Telegram. In wallet in Telegram, actually you need stars. Now what did they mean by this non-custodial wallet? Non-custodial wallet means timekeeper. Now you can only claim your tokens on non-custodial wallet that will be available after listening. And then Timekeeper have make it clear to us that they have make it clear to us that for this non-custodial wallet, you can only claim it after the listening on the 20th August. That is Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. So please, the only way you can claim your coins for free is by using the exchanges. And then the only advice I can give you, please, I don't want anybody to lose his or her coins. That is why I want to take time to make this video clearly. Please, don't be angry that I make this video. I repeat some words on this video. Some may say I need watch hour or what. No, I already have my watch hour. But I want you guys not to lose your coins. So if you want to get your coins, or if you want to get your coins, if you want to get your coins for free without gas fee, you need an exchanges. And guys, Bybit is the best for now. If you are living in Nigeria, if you are watching this video in Nigeria, then Bybit is the best. I've already made a video on how you can create a Bybit account. If you do not have a Bybit account, drop your comments on the comment section. Don't go and claim your coins yet. Drop a comment on the comment section. I will put you through on how you can get a Bybit account in a very simple ways. So guys, here I already have a a Bybit account. So we have exchanges. I will be selecting the first one because I have a Bybit account. So we click on continue. So we have the OKX. Please don't select OKX if you are living in Nigeria. It is my advice, but you can decide. But recommended, don't use OKX. So the one I recommend you to use is Bybit. Use Bybit. So I click on Bybit. So after clicking on Bybit, here you have to click on send here. So yes, I have. Do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I have a Bybit account. Now here you have to listen very, very attentively, because this is where the main thing happen. If you lose anything here, you will lose your coins. Please don't say I follow your instruction and I lose my coins. Please, if you do not follow the instruction carefully, you will lose your coins. That's the fact about it. That is the fact about it. So here they are asking for Bybit UID. Now, how do we get our Bybit UID? Let's go back to my Bybit. I already have a Bybit installed and I have an account with Bybit. Now, you have to make sure that you do your KYC. KYC, you have to verify your account either with your name or your BVN. Either with your name or your BVN. So, guys, in order to get the UID, here you have to click on the profile icon at the top left hand side. Now, this is our UID. So, you have to copy. We have a copy icon here. So, you can copy it. I've already copied it. Now, we go back to the docs. So, here you paste your UID. UID. Now the next thing we have here, we have docs deposit address. Docs deposit address. Now how do we get this docs deposit address? We have to go back to our Bybit. Under the Bybit, here you click on asset. When you click on asset, we have deposit. Click on the deposit. Now you click on deposit crypto down below. Now under this deposit crypto, you have to search for dogs. So guys, I've searched for dogs. So you click, and guys, here we have our dogs. So you click on the dogs. Okay, I didn't actually mark it. So here it will be coming up like this. Guys, as you can see, it says make sure that the chain type you make a deposit to this is the one you make withdrawals from. So here you have to click on turn. So it will be coming up like this. Guys, as you can see, it will be coming up like this. So here you have to click on OK. Now what you're gonna be doing here, you have to click sorry guys. So here you have to click on copy. This is a copy icon. Click on copy. So we have copied the address. You have to make sure that it is exactly like my own. So here you have to paste the address, docs deposit address. You paste the address. Here we have memo. That's the last thing. We have memo. Now how do we get our memo? Let's go back to our Bybit. Now guys, as you can see, this is our memo. Guys, if you observe, I've never made any content ever since I'm making content, or ever since you have been following me. I've never made any content like this before, step by step. And please, if you are watching this video and you haven't followed us for more updates. If you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates. We are just requesting, we are begging. It is not by force. So here you have to copy your memo. This is our memo, so you copy it. Now I will copy my memo. So memo copied. Now here we have to insert our memo here. So after we insert our memo, the next thing we have to do, we have to click on send. Please, you have to make sure that you follow this video before you click on send. Make sure that you know what you are doing. And then you can claim your tokens today, you can claim your tokens tomorrow, you can claim your tokens before 28th or 20th of August. So here we click on send. So guys, here we have here they are just trying to tell us to confirm our ID or to confirm our details. So after confirming, here we have to click on I confirm. Guys, if you make any mistake here, you will lose your coins. That is just fact. That's the fact about it. So this is my account, so I click on confirm. So guys, we wait for it to load. Guys, as you can see, it's already loading, so it will show us the next thing: deposit in progress. Deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listening on August 20. So you click on woof. So guys, as you can see, withdrawal, dogs withdrawing, so coins withdrawing. So guys, this is how you can be able to withdraw your coins on dogs. And then your exchanger, I've explained to you, using your exchanger is free. Using Tonekeeper and Telegram wallet, you have to provide a gas fee. If you don't know how to create or get Bybit account, comment in the comment section. I am ready to reply to you. I'm ever ready to reply to you. I'm ever ready to see your comment as of now that I upload this video up to 5 hours. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next update. Bye bye.